So this is experiment 12 of refrigeration and air conditioning. The aim of this experiment is to perform all processes on computerized air conditioning test rig by student. The objectives are introduction to psychrometric processes and their representation, important psychrometric processes namely sensible cooling and heating, cooling and dehumidification, cooling and humidification, heating and humidification, chemical dehumidification, and mixing of air streams. Representation of the above processes on psychrometric chart and equations for heat and mass transfer rates, concept of sensible heat factor, bypass factor and apparatus dew point temperature of cooling coils. Principle of air washers and various psychrometric processes that can be performed using air washers. Concept of enthalpy and potential and its use. In the design and analysis of air conditioning plants, the fundamental requirement is to identify the various processes being performed on air. Once identified, the processes can be analyzed by applying the laws of conservation of mass and energy. All these processes can be plotted easily on a psychrometric chart. This is very useful for quick visualization and also for identifying the changes taking place in important properties such as temperature, humidity ratio, enthalpy, etc. The important process that air undergoes is in a typical air conditioning plant are discussed below. So these are the psychrometric processes. This is sensible cooling, sensible heating. So OA, here we can see. Okay. OB is sensible heating, cooling and dehumidification. C. Here it is O. Okay. Here O to A, O to B, O to C, O to F. Cooling and humidification, heating and dehumidification OF, and humidifying OG, dehumidifying OH. Here there are process sensible cooling only, sensible heating only, cooling and dehumidification, heating and humidifying, evaporative cooling, chemical dehumidification, humidification only, and humidifying only. This is dry bulb temperature line. This is humidification, humidity ratio. Okay, this is a psychrometric chart, typical. So you have to conclude this, and these are some of the review questions. What is heating of air? What cooling of air? And how to plot process on psychrometric chart. Okay.